In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert picture grid layout in Excel. Start by opening the Excel workbook where you want to add the picture grid layout. This can be an existing file you're already working on or a new workbook if you're setting up something from scratch. Once your workbook is open, look at the ribbon at the top of the screen and click the Insert tab. This is where Excel keeps tools for adding visual elements, charts, illustrations, and other objects into your sheet. From the Insert tab, find Smart Art in the Illustrations group and click on it. This opens the Smart Art graphic window where you can choose from different visual layouts. On the left side of that window, click Picture. This category is specifically designed for layouts that combine images with text, which makes it a great option for creating clean, organized visual presentations right inside Excel. Next, choose the picture grid layout and click OK. Excel will insert the layout onto your worksheet, and you'll see several picture placeholders appear. Each tile in the grid includes an image area and space for text, making it easy to build a simple visual gallery or structured display. To insert your images, click the picture icon inside one of the tiles. Excel will give you several options, such as uploading from your device, searching the web, using stock images, or selecting icons. Choose the source you want to use. If you select stock images, a dialog box will open so you can browse and choose your image. After selecting the image, click Insert, then give Excel a moment to place it into the grid. Repeat that same process for the other picture tiles until your layout is filled. Once your images are in place, you can add text to each tile. Click on a grid tile to open the text pane, then type your text into the corresponding text box. If you don't want any text to appear in a certain tile, there's a simple trick you can use. Type any character into the placeholder, then delete it again. This removes the placeholder text so it no longer shows. If you want to change the number of tiles, click on a tile and look for the plus icons that appear on its sides. Click one of those to add another grid tile. If you want to remove a tile instead, select it and then click the trash icon that appears when the tile is selected. And that's it. You now know how to insert a picture grid layout in Excel and customize it with your own images and text.